Hey, how you doing? It's Pat here. As promised, it's the fall of 2024. It's October 21st to be exact, and we are going to be doing a covered bridge tour today in Ashtabula, Ohio. This is the first bridge of the tour, and I've just forgot the name. I'll have to post something on the screen, but this is my starting spot. Is it not beautiful today or what? If it isn't obvious, this is a one-lane bridge. 11 foot tall. Pickup trucks will be okay, but really big trucks with trailers, probably not. You might notice some of these Ashtabula County covered bridge signs. They help guide you to the bridges, but the way I have this route laid out, you won't always be following those signs. Most of this route, as we approach the second bridge of the trip, will be basically pavement or chip and sealed roads, but there is gravel on this route. Some of the bridges are on gravel roads. Some of the routes to go between bridges are going to take you down gravel. If that is a concern to you, just be a little caution. Interesting fun fact I learned, you have some vineyards around here, and some of them are actually owned by Welch's. Who knew here in Ohio that Welch's had some orchards? I know I didn't. Okay, this is a tricky one. The road bypasses the bridge, but as long as you have a small enough vehicle, you can still go through the bridge. And you have a raised center here. And then you have the Grand River Manor, founded in 1847, the oldest tavern in the county, according to the sign. And we're back on gravel / hardpack. If you're using my route the exact way I downloaded it, this is Clay Road. Kind of a fitting name because it looks like hardened clay. I'd kind of stay off this one unless you're in something really small. I didn't even bring my pickup truck through it. And we're going to go back to gravel for a little bit. And there she is. Don't trespass and park in their driveway. Now this is the one time I am going to just go in and come right back through, only because the amount of distance you have to go out of your way, which I don't remember the mileage, but, and it's on a gravel road in case that isn't your thing. But you do have a little turnaround spot right here. So this is the one time I'm actually gonna backtrack a little bit. Which this was actually part of the, GOAT, the Great Ohio Adventure Trail, Route Road. So I have been down this dirt road, and that was another reason. But I figured most people would just like to do what I'm doing here and just make a quick drive through. Otherwise, you just go down that dirt road, hang a left, hang another left, and come right back out to this main road. I just thought I should tell you, since we've crossed that last bridge, the road's been mostly gravel. Not a lot of gravel right now, but it's been a pretty rough road. Lots of potholes and just stuff to bounce you around. Okay, it's not a covered bridge, I get it, but I still think it's kind of cool. Okay, I just wanted to point out here, because I am going to go ahead and go into Conneaut. Hopefully I can find lunch. If you wanted to skip Lake Erie, the lighthouse, you would go ahead and make the left turn now at this stoplight, which is Gateway Avenue. So you would just make that left turn and go that way, and you'd be staying on the route. We're going to be getting on Kephas Road, and as you can see, somebody was just here, but we're going to be back on gravel again for this next one. And as a side note, this road is part of the GOAT. There it is. Oh, that was a wicked bump. Wow. Well, too bad it is Monday again. Say that way too many times. This really isn't part of the covered bridge tour, but this is a covered bridge that was turned into a pizza shop. And I really wanted to stop here. Great idea. No idea if the food's good, bad, or indifferent, but I really wanted to stop here. Covered Bridge, Pizza Parlor, and Eatery. All right, let's move on. And we have more gravel on the other side of this bridge. Alright, you're going to have to forgive the wind noise and the sun location, but this is a Smollett covered bridge. We will be going through it. It's the longest covered bridge in North America, is my understanding. And then right over there, which won't show up on the camera, is the other covered bridge you can't drive through because it's a walk-through. You know, I could sneak down here on the bike maybe. There's several people playing with their dogs in the water down here. Okay, time to ride through the longest covered bridge in North America, Smollett Gulf Bridge. And here we have it, the last covered bridge on the tour. Alright, this is our last stop, the Liberty Street Covered Bridge, shortest authentic timber covered bridge in the USA, capable of carrying highway traffic. Interesting fun fact. But this map here shows you all the different covered bridges we started today. I basically started here. This is a great map, and just did this and then came back to where we are here. So that explains kind of what I did. And I do believe that was a toll booth back in the day, and that's why it's here. Alright, with the old covered bridge in the background, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't, please mash that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next adventure, whatever that might be.